Hi guys, in this video we're going to have a look at how we can use one of the pre-made templates to create our video design. So we are in the main screen in here, inside the templates section in here, and I would like to create a story. So let's tap on story and you can go ahead in here and see what is included, just like that. And in this case I would like to select something, for instance like this one right over here. Perfect. So you can introduce a product with this, so you can see the animation right over here. And to edit, it's very simple. Simply tap on the text in here, tap on the text in again, and type in whatever you like in here. So let's type in new shoes. Of course, you can type in the brand in there, etc. So that's done. Now, as you can see, it's a little bit large in there. So what we can do is simply make sure that the element is selected in here, and then simply on your screen, we can resize like this. As you can see, just move the element around and resize it like that. You can even like pinch and zoom inside of the element to increase its size. So that's that. As you can see, now it fits perfectly in there. You can type in your site right over here. So for instance, we can type in something like pinreel.app in here. And we can even adjust our image. So I have tapped on the image in there, and now simply tap on replace and go to stock photos, and from here we can select any of the stock photos from here, or even you can select from your gallery, from your own gallery. So let's type in shoes, for instance, in here, and place that photo right over there. Perfect. So you can then scale that photo up or down so that it fits however you like that. And you can do things like rotate, etc. So feel free to play with this to get the look that you would like in here. And finally, you can even tweak things like colors. So if we go to the text in here, we can tap on the icon next to new shoes to give it a different color. And in this case, if we give it, for instance, a white color like that, and introducing, I'm going to give it a white color as well. The slogan here, I'm going to give it a white color as well, like that. Click done. Of course, right now we cannot see that text since it is on a white background, so we can even change the background. Simply tap on the background and hit edit, and from here you can change the color as well. And like this, you can see how we have changed the look of this template completely just with a few taps. Even we can go to the text in here and make it bold, for instance, and italics, so you can see the options that you have in here. And that's basically it. So I'm happy with how this looks. Now all I need to do is to export. I can first of all save this. So if I save this will go to my designs section, so I can edit it at a later stage, and then I can even export. So if I go to export, now we can hit export video, and it will export that video for us. Perfect. Now we can choose to share the video in here, or if we simply just go to our gallery, we will find that video right inside of our gallery, as you can see in there. So that's how you would edit the pre-made templates and export them to your device.